one dumbbell. Now, I really love this particular exercise because of the mental challenge behind it. It's also a great cardio workout. So, dumbbells in my right hand. I'm going to kick my right leg forwards and my right leg back. Now you might be thinking, okay, what's so special about this? Well, then I'm going to switch hands and switch legs. Notice I didn't break my movement pattern and switch hands and switch legs. So when the dumbbell's in my right hand, I'm moving my right leg. When my dumbbell's in my left hand, I'm moving my left leg. And I'm moving at the same speed. Sorry. Okay, and that's what this exercise is designed for. It's designed to get your heart rate up. So, for it to work, both hands have to move at the same place. So they both pull back and they both push forwards. So when you transition, it's an easy transition to the front of the body. The transition's always to the front of the body, not behind the body. That would be super weird. Yeah, that's just crazy. It doesn't work really well. So don't be clever if you want to try something really cool, having never tried it yourself in the water. It doesn't really work very well. But, back to using this dumbbell. What you want to do is bounce on your toes, because this one's a bouncing on the toe action. And what you want to teach is that the other arm needs to work as hard as the dumbbell arm. So back, forward. Now how does that happen? Well, once again, fingers open. The wrist has got a little bit of motion because I want to turn my palm back and forward. So palm back, palm forward. And you'll notice I'm moving at a considerable speed, so I'm not doing this really big and slow. Although you can. So even a slower tempo would work just as effectively with this exercise. You are just making a much bigger movement pattern. And so what I like to do often is go, let's do some on the right, let's do some on the left. Then you could break it all down so that you only end up doing 2 repetitions on the right, 2 repetitions on the left, and then you could literally alternate. Great exercise. Great for the brain, great for your heart rate, also for your upper body. There's that finger release because you're not always holding onto the dumbbell. Love it, it's a great exercise. So if you're wanting to find ways of how to use one dumbbell, try this one, especially in summer, when perhaps some of the dumbbells have gone missing and you only have one. Great cardio exercise. That's this week's Aqua tip. Okay, demonstrating the single leg kick with the one dumbbell movement pattern is actually not a very difficult exercise to demonstrate, but technique's important here. So when you're teaching to your class and you're facing your class, I know that this seems very normal for most instructors, but from what I've seen in some of my workshops, it isn't that normal. When you're facing your class and you say use your right arm, you need to mirror image. That means you're going to be using your left arm. Number 1. Number 2, you need to make sure that both your arms go in the opposite direction to your leg. See, on land, you don't have the same sort of resistance that you have in the water. So quite often instructors will do this because you can't feel the same sort of imbalance that you would normally feel on land. So remember, opposite directions. So you've got the leg kicking forwards, leg kicking back. You've got the dumbbell in the same hand as the leg, okay? And this is how you demonstrate the transition. Pretty easy. So here, you're there, you say switch to your left leg, and you just keep your arms moving. So when you transition, your arms go back as your leg goes forwards. If you maintain that consistency, you'll have no issues with it, and it's pretty easy to do once you get comfortable with it. Now, remember, when you're on land, you need to lean a little bit. You don't lean as much like that in the water, but you need it for balance. Yep. So you're pushing forwards and you're pulling back. Make sure that you stop and explain fingers super wide, really wide. So they're pushing the water and pulling the water. Notice how I change my expression. Notice how I stiffen up the muscles in my arms to demonstrate what it feels like to work with resistance. And that's a key thing. It's not like, okay, fingers open, moving your arms forward and back. Push with the water. You need to indicate what it should feel like with your voice as well. So think about all the tools that you have and make the most of it. Yeah. So just make sure that you've got the same arm as leg for this one if you're doing this particular movement pattern. And that's this week's Aqua tip.